pretty.
Mm-hmm.
Why do they always put the purple in? This is not even one of the colors.
Well, you gotta like purple. I love purple.
Yeah.
My favorite color. Red's a nice color too. Red, white,
There it goes.
yellow.
Stars.
Yep, there's stars.
Stars.
When
Finally.
it's clear enough.
Ooh.
Usually at the end, they shoot them all of them like they're crazy. And you usually know when that's the end. Ooh, glittery.
That sound was awesome.
I know, I like that sound. You're my warm ladybug now.
Ooh, that was pretty.
Yeah.
Ralphie, how was that boo?
No more booing.
Really, I just saw a little fuzzball going like
Well,
this.
don't watch the fuzzball.
Just
Yeah, those are the rookies trying to do fireworks.
Just bunny.
The unprofessionals.
Exactly. Ooh. I like how you like when the sun goes down and you still see the trees. That's my favorite. I like sunsets are my favorite.
Why is the
I
police
think
all
we missed
over
the
the
sunset
place?
though.
Yeah, we did.
Why is the police all over the place?
Protect us. Usually people in an open field like to do stupid things.